You guys, my name is Legend and welcome to my YouTube channel. It has been a while since I did anything to my own bike, so that's what we're doing today. We are installing a taillight with integrated indicators. So let's do this. Alright guys, so this was basically the video. I know it was really short, but the install was so easy. It was literally just plug and play. All the connectors were there. I basically had to do nothing other than to take off the stock taillight and put on the new one, and that was basically it. I hope you did enjoy this video. However, I think it looks really clean. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you want to see more, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.